Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated shell. This gives you authority to change ownership and permissions. First, locate the exact file or registry key path so you don't guess. Once identified, run Takeown or use the GUI to view the current owner and ACLs. This prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure to keep an administrator account ready, and if possible, create a restore point or export the registry key so you can revert if needed. Begin the first command now to claim ownership. Once done with ownership discovery, use takeown/f path to claim the object. Takeown is simple and quick. Next, run iCackle's path/grant your user, F or iCackle's path/grant administrators. F to give full control. This resolves access denied when rights are missing. If the object has children, add /t to propagate changes. Make sure to check inheritance flags and remove deny entries explicitly, because deny entries override grants and will keep blocking access. You finish by verifying that you can now open or modify the item. Try a simple edit or export. If that works, tidy up. Re-enable protections, reset inheritance to desired state, and remove any temporary admin grants you no longer need. If still blocked, look for explicit deny ACEs, group policy restrictions, or antivirus hooks. These often cause persistent access denied. As a last resort, boot to recovery media to change permissions offline. This bypasses running system locks and tends to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.